Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to make rich, royal, cheesy Middle East dessert which is Kunafa. The interesting fact is that this Kunafa dough is homemade. This Kunafa has milk pudding, mozzarella cheese and saffron sugar syrup in it. Well, I would highly recommend you to try this Kunafa at least once. I have shared this homemade Kunafa dough in my previous video. I will leave the recipe link in the description below. Prepare this Kunafa dough ahead of time because it's a little time consuming process. I have stored this Kunafa dough in the freezer. It doesn't stick to each other and perfect to make Kunafa. Let's begin by preparing the corn flour slurry. For that, take 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour. In goes half a cup of milk. Give it a mix and the corn flour slurry is ready now. Take 1 cup of milk in a saucepan. Add in 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a stir and let the milk boil. Now slowly add in the corn flour slurry and give it a stir continuously so that no lumps are formed. Look at this friends, the milk pudding is thickening slowly. The milk pudding should be a little thick in consistency. Milk pudding is ready and it will thicken even more while cooling. Switch off the flame and add in 1/4 teaspoon of almond essence. You can also use vanilla essence. Our delicious milk pudding is ready now. I have taken 100 grams of butter and melted it in microwave. I have added few drops of orange red food color. Give it a mix until the melted butter and the food color combines well. Add in the melted butter mix into the Kunafa dough. Mix it gently until the butter mix coats well into the Kunafa dough. I have taken 200 grams of Kunafa dough. Our Kunafa dough is ready and divide it into 2 equal parts. I have taken 8-inch baking tin and added in 1 teaspoon of butter and few drops of orange red food color. Brush it evenly along the sides and bottom of the baking tin. Adding food color directly to the pan adds more intense color to our Kunafa. Now spread half the quantity of the Kunafa dough evenly into the baking tin. Press the Kunafa dough nicely like this. Kunafa dough should be equally spread and flattened. Now spread the milk pudding evenly over the Kunafa dough. The texture of the milk pudding should be of this much thick. I have taken 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and spread it evenly on top of the milk pudding. Cover it with the other half of the Kunafa dough mix. Press the Kunafa dough gently and level it. I have baked Kunafa for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Take 3/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Add in 3/4 cup of water. So I have taken equal quantity of sugar and water. Add in saffron as needed. Give it a mix and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. The sugar syrup should be of greasy consistency like the one we make for gulab jamun. Switch off the flame and add in quarter teaspoon of rose water. So I'm not looking for any string consistency here. It took exactly 7 minutes to make the sugar syrup. The saffron, rose water, everything gives that Middle Eastern flavor to it. Kunafa has baked now and I'm drizzling little saffron sugar syrup on top of it. Flip it immediately and garnish it with the chopped pistachios. Since this kunafa has cheese in it, we have to consume it immediately after baking. Look at this friends, how cute this kunafa looks like, and we have made kunafa dough everything from scratch. Here comes the final step, drizzle the saffron sugar syrup on top of it. Well, the kunafa has soaked completely in the saffron sugar syrup and it tastes delicious. Definitely try this kunafa at least once and share me the feedback. Slice the kunafa and drizzle some saffron sugar syrup and enjoy. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.